Welcome to BodyFuel Insights, where science meets clear medical education. Cancer doesn't start suddenly. It grows silently inside the body. Cancer is a group of diseases where cells in the body grow uncontrollably. Normally, cells divide in an orderly way, but in cancer, this process goes wrong, forming tumors that can spread to other parts of the body. Cancer can affect almost any part of the body: lungs, liver, breast, colon, bones, or blood. It damages tissues, interferes with organ function, and spreads through the lymphatic system and bloodstream. Cancer is one of the most common serious diseases worldwide. It affects people of all ages, though risk increases as we grow older. Understanding cancer is important because it can damage vital organs, weaken the immune system, and become life-threatening if not detected early. Early awareness can save lives. Cancer begins when DNA in cells is damaged or mutated. These errors cause cells to divide uncontrollably, ignoring the body's normal growth regulation. Lifestyle choices like smoking, excessive alcohol, unhealthy diet, and lack of exercise increase the risk of developing cancer over time. Inherited gene mutations and exposure to environmental toxins or radiation can increase susceptibility to cancer in certain individuals. People most at risk include older adults, smokers, those with a family history of cancer, and individuals with weakened immune systems. Early signs of cancer may include unusual fatigue, unexplained weight loss, persistent pain, lumps, or changes in skin or moles. These signs are subtle but important to notice. As cancer progresses, symptoms may become more noticeable. Persistent cough, difficulty swallowing, bowel changes, and unexplained bleeding. Advanced cancer can cause severe pain, organ dysfunction, bone fractures, and neurological problems, signaling the disease is widespread. Symptoms become dangerous when cancer spreads to vital organs like the brain, lungs, or liver, increasing the risk of life-threatening complications. At the cellular level, DNA mutations prevent normal cell growth control. Cells divide uncontrollably, forming the foundation of tumors. Tumors compress surrounding healthy tissue, disrupting normal organ function and causing structural damage. Cancer can invade blood vessels, nerves, and disrupt hormone signaling, further impacting body systems. Over time, unchecked cancer weakens the immune system, damages multiple organs, and can lead to organ failure. Here we can see tumors forming inside vital organs like the liver and lungs, illustrating how cancer disrupts normal function. At the microscopic level, cancer cells divide uncontrollably, driven by DNA mutations. Cancer can spread through lymph nodes, using the body's own transport system to reach distant organs. Blood vessels can carry cancer cells to distant organs, a process called metastasis. Tumors stimulate new blood vessels to grow, feeding themselves with oxygen and nutrients. As tumors grow, they deform organs, reducing their ability to function properly. The immune system attacks cancer cells, but some evade detection, allowing tumors to grow. Metastasis occurs when cancer spreads from the primary tumor to distant organs, making treatment more challenging. Cancer starts when a normal cell becomes damaged. Instead of repairing itself or dying, it begins to divide uncontrollably, forming the early stage of a tumor. At the microscopic level, cancer begins with DNA mutations. These mutations remove the body's natural brakes on cell growth. As cancer cells multiply, they form a mass that presses against healthy tissue, slowly damaging the organ's normal function. Cancer becomes dangerous when cells break away from the tumor and travel through the blood or lymph system. This spread to distant organs is called metastasis, and it makes cancer much harder to treat. Doctors begin diagnosing cancer by reviewing symptoms, medical history, and physical examinations. Imaging tests like CT scans, MRI, and PET scans help doctors locate tumors inside the body. A biopsy confirms cancer by examining tissue under a microscope to identify abnormal cells. Surgery removes cancerous tissue when the tumor is localized and operable. Chemotherapy and radiation therapy kill or shrink cancer cells to slow disease progression. Newer treatments help the immune system recognize and attack cancer more effectively. Healthy lifestyle choices support treatment and improve overall quality of life. Untreated cancer can quickly cause pain, bleeding, and infections. Over time, cancer severely damages organs and weakens the immune system. Advanced cancer can lead to life-threatening organ failure. Healthy daily habits significantly reduce the risk of many cancers. Early screening helps detect cancer before symptoms appear. Awareness saves lives. Knowledge leads to early action. Stay informed, stay aware, and protect your health. Like, subscribe for the more informative videos.